Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. Bihar politics is taking a new turn. A year after the death of Ram Vilas Paswan, the LJP Supremo, the party is caught in a big crisis between Chacha and Bhatija. On 14th of June, 5 of the 6 Lok Janashakti Party MPs, sixth one being Chirag Paswan himself, joined hands against him and elected Pashupati Kumar Paras, his uncle, as their parliamentary party leader in the Lok Sabha, replacing Paswan Jr. The group of 5 MPs had met Speaker Om Birla on Sunday night to inform him about their decision to replace Paswan with Paras as their leader. The revolt was led by Chirag Paswan's uncle Pashupati Kumar Paras, the younger brother of Ram Vilas Paswan. Apparently, the 5 MPs of the LJP had disagreements with Chirag Paswan regarding unilateral decisions taken by him during last year's Bihar Assembly elections after the death of his father and party founder Ram Vilas Paswan. Paswan's decision to contest the 2020 Bihar Assembly polls separately from the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance against Nitish Kumar's JDU, another member of the NDA, was opposed by many. The LJP managed to cut the votes and reduce the numbers of seats that the JDU won, but it itself was humiliated by winning just one seat. His decision to go against JDU was termed as politically unwise by many, which also proved to be true in the result. However, he would not have expected the coup led by his own uncle against him. Soon after the MP's decision to replace him, he approached Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. Chirag also tried to speak to his uncle. After the news broke, he rushed to the uncle's residence. But as per the reports, he was not let inside. He was waiting outside in his car for about 45 minutes, waiting for him to be called in. Eventually, he left, seeing no response from his uncle's side. Now, there are two factions in the LJP, one which is led by Paras and another which is led by Chirag Paswan himself. Both the factions are leaving no stone unturned to sideline each other, but nonetheless to say, Paras faction seems to be dominating as of now. While the Paras faction had expelled Chirag from all the party posts, Chirag Paswan held a Zoom meeting of the party's national executive and passed a resolution expelling all the rebel leaders. He also wrote to Om Birla requesting the speaker to issue a new circular reappointing Junior Paswan as the leader of the LJP in Lok Sabha. Talking to the media yesterday for the first time since the feud, Chirag Paswan alleged that there have been attempts for a while now to break the LJP. He blamed the JDU for the split in the party and also said that he is ready to fight it out legally. However, a major blow to Chirag Paswan came yesterday when his uncle Pashupati Kumar Paras was elected as the national president of the party. While the public sympathy and Paswan vote bank remains with Chirag Paswan for the time being, seems like Chirag Paswan will have a tough time managing the crisis in the party. It has not been a year since he has taken over the party and he is already faced with one of the biggest challenges. In this video, we will look at the 3 mistakes of Chirag Paswan since he took over the party reins. First, letting himself be a pawn at the hands of BJP and JDU. BJP itself often admits that it is with the LJP only for the Paswan vote bank. However, comparatively, Paswan vote bank is a handful as far as Bihar is concerned. In the partnership of BJP, JDU and LJP, LJP was only the minority partner. The party also did not have much say in the decision making. Although to appease the Dalit Paswan vote bank, Ram Vilas Paswan was given a ministry in the central government. As it is evident from the Bihar elections, BJP too gave much impetus to Nitish Kumar. So much so that it clarified way before the elections that it will fight the election only under the leadership of Nitish Kumar. Paswan's party did not make much of a difference to the BJP. It did cut JDU votes, but that did not result in any conclusive damage to the JDU electorally. On the contrary, JDU-BJP combined won the elections. Point number 2. No strong backing. Till such time that Ram Vilas Paswan was alive, the party still had a decisive leader who would tell the workers who to follow, whether it is BJP, JDU or the RJD. After his death, however, the decision taken by Chirag Paswan confused many. Ahead of elections, Chirag decided to contest separately. However, he said that he is against JDU and not the BJP. He famously made a statement calling himself the faithful Hanuman to PM Modi's Ram. However, the BJP swiftly distanced itself from Chirag's comments. It reiterated that the BJP remains committed to alliance partner JDU only. Now, Chirag entered the battlefield against JDU without a shield. Having a small party as compared to JDU, he should have realized that taking on Nitish Kumar is not possible when he is fighting alone. BJP, which benefits the most from the JDU, would never go against it till such time that it keeps benefiting from the alliance. Ideally, LJP should have joined hands with the RJD. It would have also given his voters who were upset with Nitish government's policies a strong option. Let us talk about point number 3, dynasty benefit in mind. After the death of Ramvilas Paswan, Chirag considered himself a natural successor of the party president post. Both important positions inside the party and in the parliament remained with him. Chirag, who has mostly remained in the centre, may lack connection with his MLAs or leaders whose politics is confined to Bihar. The rebel leaders also openly say that party would have won more seats had they contested as an ally of NDA. Chirag said his father's insult at the hands of Nitish Kumar was the main reason why he broke away from NDA. However, politically, the plan was not sound, and that is the reason why today many leaders stand with Paras as he leads the coup. It will be now very interesting to see what happens next in the political drama of Bihar. What do you think about this? Do let us know in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in. Well, for the last few months, we have been asking you to support us through our YouTube membership program, and it is heartening to see so many people coming out and showing support. It motivates us to continue the journalism that speaks truth to power. But many of you also wrote to us saying that they were unable to support us through YouTube. A lot of you also wrote to us asking whether there is an option of one-time payment or not. So we have come up with another option on our website through which you can support us. You can choose if you want to support us through monthly one-time payment or yearly one-time payment on the website. This subscription plan also comes with certain benefits, so do check it out. Go to our website, click on the support on the topmost toolbar and check out the plan you want to take up. Your support means the most to us. So do subscribe. Until then, stay tuned to HW News.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.